Good morning, Sarah. Let's run through a few things. Mr. Thompson, the new diabetic, needs thorough education on insulin administration. We've had issues with his technique previously. Also, Mrs. Jenkins in room 3, the post-stroke patient, requires assistance with her mealtime feeding due to dysphagia. Please ensure someone supervises her closely. And young Leo, the child with the persistent cough, his parents are anxious. Confirm the next nebulizer time and reassure them. However, my most pressing concern involves Miss Patel in room 6. Her recent blood pressure readings are critically elevated, and she's reporting a severe headache and blurred vision. I need you to initiate the urgent hypertensive crisis protocol immediately, including administering the stat labetalol and preparing for potential transfer to ED if her pressure doesn't respond rapidly. This is a time-critical situation to prevent end organ damage.
Right, Dr. Mihira. So, for Ms. Patel, is the goal primarily to reduce her immediate discomfort?
While alleviating her headache is important, Sarah, the primary function of this intervention is to rapidly lower her blood pressure to prevent imminent cerebrovascular or cardiac complications. It's about organ protection.
Understood, Mihira. I'll get on it straight away. And Mr. Thompson's insulin teaching?
That can be done after Ms. Patel is stabilized and her transfer initiated, if necessary.
MIHIRA, it is completely understandable that managing a health routine can feel overwhelming at times, and it is important to approach this process with patience and kindness toward yourself. One of the most effective ways to make everything feel more manageable is to simplify your dose timing so you aren't constantly checking the clock. By linking your medication to natural parts of your day, such as having your breakfast or brushing your teeth, the routine becomes a seamless part of your morning or evening rather than an extra chore. Using technology to your advantage can also provide great piece of much-needed clarity, as setting gentle alarms on your phone or a digital watch ensures you never have to worry about forgetting a step in your care. MIHIRA, to keep everything organized, using a clear pill dispenser labeled with the days of the week allows you to see at a single glance that you are staying on track. Keeping your medications in a dedicated, visible spot helps maintain a sense of order and reduces any daily stress. Remember that you do not have to handle this entirely on your own, as leaning on the support of family members can make a significant difference. Allowing a loved one to help you organize your weekly dispenser or simply check in with you creates a supportive environment where your well-being is a shared priority, giving you the space to focus on healing and feeling your best.